it's Betsy, and today we have a fun video. We're going to be doing our BoxyCharm Premium June 2020 box unboxing. Now, I pay for these boxes myself. There are 3 different levels of BoxyCharm boxes. There's the $25 a month level, which is just their base box. Then they have the premium, which is this one, which is $35 a month. And then they do a Luxe box quarterly, which is $50. And each box contains full-size products that typically add up to a whole lot more than what you pay for your box. I like it. I get to try a lot of new products that I probably wouldn't have bought. So let's see what is inside this one. So I did cut the tape, but I have not opened it up yet. So when you open it up, it looks like this. So it says BoxyCharm Premium, and then it has a little information card. So we'll go off of the information card to talk about what's in here. So the first thing I'm going to grab is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. So Glow Recipe Avocado Sleeping Mask, the MSRP on it is $49. So there, I've already made my money off of it. And Glow Recipe is a good brand. I mean, they're talked about everywhere. So night sleeping mask, and it says the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask is a creamy, nourishing mask formulated with antioxidant-rich avocado, exfoliant PHA, and most gentle form of retinol, encapsulated retinol. The super gentle yet effective mask works to improve skin's elasticity and reveals smoother, hydrated skin with each use. Use as a wash-off flash facial or an overnight mask for deep recovery. So I'm super excited about that. Next up is the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette Kit. The MSRP on this is $44. Now, I had the old one that was 4 colors, I think, that was in the little cardboard box, and I used the heck out of some of those colors. Like, I almost hit pan on some of them. So I'm super excited for this to be able to play with. So as you can see, there's 6 different shades, and like these are, especially like the medium contour, that is a good ashy shade to do for shadowing, to add contour. And then the deep contour, that would work for me as a bronzer shade. And then they've got some highlight powders. Now, they have no glow to them. I won't be able to use like the deep one, but I can use the medium and the light one. And then the light contour, you can barely see it, but that might work well for a nose highlight, so, or a nose contour. So I'm excited to play with that. Next up is the KVD Beauty, which this still says Kat Von D, Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick. And I got the shade Hawkwind. Man, that took me a minute. Which I'm probably going to give this to somebody. It looks like it's going to be a deep brown shade, which is not something I wear as a lipstick. So even though, and that retails for $20. Next up is the Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle Energizing Face Mask 6-pack. Ooh, that's a nice package. So that retails for $25. So I'm guessing they're sheet masks, which I love sheet masks. So I cannot wait to play with that. Next up is the Boston Beauty Powder and Contour Brush Set, and it says the MSRP on it is $90. Okay, so I got 2 brushes. These are not $90 brushes for 2 brushes. I can go ahead and tell you. I mean, they're not very heavy. The brushes do feel nice and soft, don't get me wrong. So I do like that. I was dusting over where I had the cocoa contour, and like some of the powder flew up in my mouth. It tastes good. I mean, I'm not gonna sit there and eat makeup, but it smells good and it tastes good. But the brushes are nice and soft, and it does seem to do a good job of blending, but these are definitely not $90 worth. But I'll still use them. And then last but not least is the Skin & Co. Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel. So let's see if we can smell this. It's with notes of myrtle, lemongrass, and wild orange. Oh, that does smell good. And it says it's made in Italy, and that MSRP is for $22. So all in all, I really think that this month was a great box. It was definitely worth it. There are several things that I am excited to use. The face mask, the body wash, the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Kit. The brushes I would never pay $90 for, but I mean, it's nice to have more brushes in my collection. I'm super excited to try out the Glow Recipe Avocado Sleeping Mask. I have heard really good things about that. And then I would be excited about a cream lipstick, other than I don't wear a deep brown shade. Let's go ahead and open that up so you can see, make sure that that's kind of the color. Well, that's not a bad color. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Actually, that's not a bad color. I may keep that. It's like a deep mauve. So for wintertime, I think that might be pretty. But I guess that's it for today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. And if you hit the notification bell icon next to it, that notifies you when I post new videos, which is typically every Monday and Wednesday and Friday. I missed Wednesday this week. It has been a crazy week. But I guess that's it. So we shall see you on Monday. Bye.